Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to download InShot for your PC. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open an emulator. So the first thing you're going to do is install this emulator. Since InShot is a mobile application, it isn't currently available in the desktop version. So in order for you to be able to install InShot onto your PC, first download an emulator. So I have the BlueStacks emulator installed on my PC, and the interface for BlueStacks is something like this. So I'm going to go ahead on the search box in BlueStacks and type InShot. After that, click on the search in Google Play button. This should redirect you to another window. Over here, simply sign in to your Google account to be able to download InShot on your PC. Now go ahead and enter your email address. Enter your password for this email address. After doing so, click on the next button. Click on I agree and you should be logged into your Google account in the Play Store in this emulator. As you can see, the InShot result is showing up, and this is the InShot video editor that you want to install. Go ahead and click on the install button. After your InShot has finished installing, you'll see an interface such as this. You'll see the open button. Click on it. As you can see, my InShot application has been installed on my PC and I can use it just as I could in my mobile. And this is how you can install InShot on your PC. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.